So I recently had a friend show me how to make a very quick and easy pizza. Ricky likes a very thin crust pizza, so today we're going to do that. We'll be right back after the intro. This pizza we're going to cook in our brand new Ninja Foodi. This Ninja Foodi is a grill. It is an air fryer. You can bake. You can dehydrate. So this Ninja Foodi will do several different things. But today we're going to make the pizza. So the ingredients we're going to use today, there's 4 ingredients. We're going to use the Mission flour tortillas, and you can get a flour tortilla of any brand. I just choose the Mission. These are soft and fluffy flour tortillas. We're going to add some pizza sauce, and again, just whatever pizza sauce of your choice. This happens to be just the Walmart Great Value brand. And then we're going to use some pepperonis. So we're just going to make cheese pepperoni. So we're just, we'll be using the mozzarella cheese as well. There are important steps in making this in your air fryer. And the first step is to make sure that the flour tortilla does not get sucked up into the top of your air fryer, because as the fan works inside the unit, that could happen. So right now, I'm going to turn my air fryer on, and I'll choose the function. So I want it set at 375 degrees, and we're going to cook this for probably only about 5 minutes. So this air fryer will preheat, and then it will tell me when it's time to add the food. So now the air fryer is telling me to add the food, and you can hear the fan running inside. So we're going to open the lid, and because we do not want the flour tortilla to float around and get to the top with the air blowing, we are going to put it underneath the basket that's inside the air fryer. So my Ninja has preheated. The first thing I want to do is spray a little bit of olive oil on both sides of my flour tortilla. And I just like to use olive oil. You can use any type of spray that you like. So because this is hot, I'm going to raise my basket up, and I'm going to put the flour tortilla down inside, close the lid, and set this to cook for 2 minutes. So what I'm doing now is just browning the flour tortilla and get it crispy on both sides. And then we'll add the next ingredients. And it's very important that you get the ingredients added correctly. With the air fryer, it does blow the air around inside the unit when it's cooking. So you want to make sure that nothing gets sucked up to the top, which this Ninja Foodi has a screen at the top that covers your coil, your heating coil. So there's no chance of it catching on fire, but I just want to keep all the pizza together. And what will happen, if you put these thin pepperonis on top, sometimes the Ninja will try to suck those off the pizza and will make a big mess. So don't want that to happen. So we're going to check on this and see how brown it is. Quite not brown enough. So I just like to do it 2 minutes, check it. So I did turn it over. So now we're going to set it to cook and my temperature I like to cook is 375. So I'm going to set it to cook another 2 minutes because it just was not brown enough. we're going to take another peek at it. So actually, I cooked this about 3 minutes. And our flour tortilla is nice and crispy. So we're going to drop the basket in, and we're going to put the flour tortilla this time on top of the basket. And the first thing we want to do is add our pizza sauce. So just depends on how much sauce that you like on your pizza. And just spread that around. And all of this inside is hot, so you have to be careful not to touch the edges with your hands. So I have the sauce added, and remember I told you that it's very important that we put the ingredients on in a special way to keep it from all just exploding in the fryer. So next I'm going to add the pepperonis. And we'll put the cheese on top of the pepperonis, and we do this so the cheese holds the pepperonis down and they won't get sucked up in the coils in your fryer. And like I said, this one has the screen on it, so nothing will get sucked up into the coil in this Ninja Foodi, but I still don't want it to make a big mess inside. And that will happen if you don't add these pepperonis first. You can see that I have the pepperonis added in there on top of the sauce. And then next I'm just going to add my cheese. So the cheese has been added on top, and we're going to close the lid, and we're going to let this cook for 3 minutes. So it looks like Ricky's pizza is cooked and ready to eat. Yum, look at that. We'll let that cool. He's outside, he's been cleaning the trike. So we'll let this cool just a little bit, and then we'll take it out there for him to eat. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the cooking show today. This is a very simple way to prepare pizza, and especially if you're in your RV and you have small space. If you use a fryer, it doesn't have to be the Ninja Foodi. Like I said, I have done this in my old fryer back here, and it works just perfect. We just decided to get the Ninja Foodi grill, and this Ninja Foodi grill has cooked wonderful hamburgers, and I haven't tried the chicken yet, so I'm excited about my grill. And so our friends Keith and Jill told us about the Ninja Foodi grill, and they said it's wonderful. We haven't used our outside grill or our stove much since we got this, and so we purchased one, and it was a very good purchase, I believe. And I think I'm really going to like this, Jill, so thank you for recommending it to us. So we're all done. We'll turn the unit off, and we'll take Ricky's pizza out for him to enjoy. So tell me how you liked your pizza, Ricky.
Good.
It was good? That's a quick and easy way to make pizza. And you like them thin and crispy, so you can't get much thinner than a flour tortilla for a crust.
Nope. Cheesy too.
Cheesy, and it makes just the right size, so you don't eat too much, and it's not enough to fill your belly.
Well, it depends on what size belly you got.
You can tell I liked mine. My plate's already empty. So what you been doing today?
Well, I played some pickleball. I come back and trying to clean the trike.
So all that wind we had last night, somebody said it might have rained just a little bit too, some, because everything is spotted up this morning. I'll turn the camera around. You can see the trailer, the dust spots all over it. You think the California duster will take that off?
There's but one way to find out.
I don't know if the California duster will get it off or not. We may have to put some water to it. It was pretty clean until all that last night. That wind probably had some dust in it, didn't it? And then along with a little bit of rain that spotted it up. So you can see we've got our awnings out today. Not a lot of wind. And we got some bird poop on the window up there. And the windows are really nasty. It's amazing what one night will do, all the dirt it'll bring. And a long, hard day work getting it clean.
Take care of it.
Huh? You think we haven't been taking care of it? I'm not kidding you. It was clean yesterday. There was not a spot on it.
I'm gonna go that far.
Well, it was cleaner than it is today.
Yes. Much. Bicycle. Black was cleaner yesterday too. That's the joys of RV life. As my youngest son would say, ain't got nothing else to do anyway.
Yeah. Keep your rig clean.
Well.
You all have a blessed day, and don't forget, like and subscribe so you won't miss out on our journey as we are soaring together and living life in different places.